Dirt Fisherman here, y'all. I'm doing a toy review of this right here, of the Maisto designs of the Ford GT40 Heritage Edition. My boy 3 Live Stream wanted to know if it was quality or not, so I'm doing this video to see if the quality's up to par or not. Let's open her up and see. Let me get into this thing right here and I'll tell y'all if it's worth buying or not. Okay. Stuff out. Uh-oh. Wanted to fall out. It's pretty nice. What it is. It ain't too bad. Got some plastic pieces on it. Over and all, it's not too bad of a design of a car. You know, I like it. I don't know if y'all like it or not, but it's pretty cool. Just got a plastic body frame on it. And that there, it does pretty good. Let's see how good it rolls. It could be my thing. No, it don't roll too good. It's just this display piece only. No, it don't roll at all. No, it is busted. But I display mine only anyway. That's the only flaw I got. The back wheels won't turn on it. I don't know what the problem is. I have to tear into it and see if I want to. But it's gonna be a pretty good display piece. As far as the car, you know what I mean? It's alright, it just don't roll. That's a bummer to me. But the truck, it rolls good. It's the old flatbed. And it drags the old car up on it. And there we go. It's all right. The only problem I got, the car won't roll. So my buddy 3 Live Stream, it's up to you if you want to buy it, bud. But me, it's be all right because I display my cars anyway. I don't roll them around. So I'm just gonna display it as it is. If you like what you see, to subscribe to my channel, please. Dirt Fisherman out.